Hi Muslim, my name is Neil O'Lara. I'm studying software development for a one-year HTIP in computer science, and welcome to my presentation of RecruitSmart, a distributed recruitment automation system built using Node.js with GRPC microservices. This project demonstrates a complete hiring workflow with clear separation of concerns. Each service handles a specific part of the recruitment process, from resume intake to interview scheduling and finally onboarding. The system is built around three core microservices: candidate service, schedule service, and onboarding service, all coordinated through a registration service that handles dynamic service discovery. Let's walk through how each component works. First, scheduler service defines interview management. The client sends a preferred schedule using an interview request message and receives an interview confirmation, which includes the confirmed time, a unique interview ID, and a status message. To cancel, the client simply sends an interview ID and the server responds with the confirmation status. These are standard unary or PC calls, making the interface predictable and easy to use. Next, the onboarding service handles post-hiring integration. It accepts an onboarding request, just a candidate's email, and returns a structured status response. This includes a list of completed tasks and a list of pending tasks, which helps HR or the recruiters track the new hire's progress. The candidate service is the most comprehensive. It implements all four types of the GRPC communication: unary calls for scoring resumes, server streaming to deliver multiple candidate matches, client streaming to support bulk resume uploads, and bidirectional streaming to simulate the real-time chat between candidate and recruiter. This wide range of call styles showcases the flexibility and completeness of the system. Under the hood, all services register themselves with a central registration service when they start up. This lets any dynamic service dynamically discover the address of another. For example, when scheduling an interview, the system automatically can look up and notify the onboarding service. This architecture avoids hard coding IPs and keeps the system scalable and maintainable. Authentication is forced via API keys and passed through metadata on every gRPC call. If the key is invalid, the service responds with a standard unauthenticated error. Other errors like invalid argument or not found are used when bad input or missing data is used. Even during streaming operations such as resume uploads, the system catches malformed entries and gracefully ends the stream. Robust error handling is built in to every layer of the platform. The system is paired with a custom-built web GUI written using Node.js, Express, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each service has a tab in the dashboard: candidate service for submitting and browsing resumes, scheduler service for interview bookings, and onboarding service for tracking progress. Each GUI action maps to its corresponding gRPC operation, and alerts or logs give immediate feedback about the results, including any errors. An optional terminal-based client is available for testing the chat feature manually. This project is version controlled and hosted on GitHub. The repository is organized into directories for services, proto definitions, front-end GUI, and shared utilities, and the README with full startup instructions. Incremental commits show the development of the process step by step, from service scaffolding to integration. In conclusion, the RecruitSmart demonstrates three gRPC microservices with full proto definitions, all four gRPC call styles implemented, secure API key authentication, dynamic service discovery, strong error handling, full GUI integration, GitHub hosted source code with clear instructions. In conclusion, this project covers every major requirement of a distributed systems assignment and models a realistic recruitment platform with a scalable, modular, and secure way. Thank you very much, and goodbye.